If you need to recover your Dave account but no longer have access to your phone number, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will walk you through the process. Step 1. Visit the Dave app or website. Open the Dave app on your device or go to the Dave website. Look for the login section where you can enter your account details. Step 2. Select Forgot Password. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Choose alternative recovery options. When prompted, select an alternative method for cab recovery. This may include using your email address or answering security questions associated with your account. Step 4. Check your email. If you opted for email recovery, check your inbox for a password reset link or recovery instructions from Dave. Follow the link provided in the email to reset your password. Step 5. Update your account information. Once you regain access to your account, update your phone number and any other necessary information to ensure you can recover your account in the future. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your Dave account without needing your phone number. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Dave's customer support for further assistance.